Yes, class. Again, I am Anjum Bhati Nirban. Welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. As you all know, in our previous video, we have completed question answers. Today, we are going to start a few book exercise which is related to homophones. Okay, class. So first, start read these words. So, rain, rain. R-A-I-N, R-E-I-N. As you can see, the pronunciation are same, but spelling are different, and the meaning also are different over here. Second is raise or raise. Pronunciation are same, but meaning and spelling are different here. So, अब हमें ऐसी कोई चीज दिखाई देती है, हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? Homophones. So the define of homophones are here. These words have the same sound but different spelling and different meaning. As you can see over here, raise और raise. देखिए pronunciation same है but spelling हमने different लिखी है और इनका meaning भी different होता है. So such words are called homophones. Okay, class. Related to it, we have given the book exercise. So let's get started. Fill in the blanks with correct homophones. Then complete the crossword puzzle. As you can see over here, आप देखेंगे crossword puzzle दिया हुआ है, हम इसे भी complete करते जाएंगे और हम fill भी करेंगे. So very first is there was a dash making a honeycomb. Honey कौन बनाता है? किसके लिए यूज होता है? बी के लिए, B-E-E. Okay. Next is Jay wanted a dash of chocolate cake. Piece. P-I-E-C-E. Piece. Don't forget to check the mail for a letter. Mail or mail? M-A-I-L. Mail. It is so cute when my dog wags its dash tail. T-A-I-L. Tomorrow the dash should be really warm. Weather. The two meaning weather or weather. Tarun needed more wood for the fire. W-O-O-D wood. Raima dash pizza for dinner. 8. You can see 8 or 8. 8. Okay, class? Next is I saw a grizzly dash in the wood. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Bear means bhalu. Next is Ronnie picked a dash from the bush. Berry. B-E-R-R-Y. John dashed the sunset this morning. Missed or missed? Missed. Bhavna took a shovel and a dash to the pail. B-A-I-L. I make sure to brush my teeth every night. Mayank dashed the ball to his head through. T-H-R-E-W. Tanmay dashed his favorite shirt today. Wore. W-O-R-E. It is second form of wear. According to it, class, we have to fill our puzzle. So I'm going to show you the filled puzzle. So it will look like this. You have to fill according to given questions which we have completed. Okay, class. Now our next exercise is related to adjectives. Okay. We know that adjectives are words that describe a noun. Adjective describes a noun, whether the name of person, animal, place or things. In other words, they qualify a noun. अगर हम other language में बोले तो वो क्या करते हैं? Noun को qualify करते हैं. Adjectives are of many kinds, like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjectives. First, we'll read about adjectives of quality. Adjectives that are used to describe the nature of a noun by showing that kind or quality of a noun. It means it shows the quality of a noun. For example, beautiful bay, stern voice. Okay, so here bay's quality is beautiful and voice quality is stern voice. Okay, adjective of quantity. Adjective that indicate the amount of estimated amount of the noun in the sentence. For example, whole farm, some kindness. Here the quantity is some and whole. Adjective of numbers. Adjectives that show the exact number of person or thing denoted by a noun. Means 1, 2, 3, 20, 15, these kinds of number. For example, 2 horses, 20 years. The here adjectives are 20 and 2. Then last is demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives that are used to modify a noun by telling their position so that we know the specific person, place or thing being mentioned. These adjectives are never followed by a main verb. Okay? Main verb कौन सी होती है जो there are two kind of verb, main and auxiliary verb. So जिस main verb के बारे में बात हो रही है वहाँ ये follow कर never followed by the main verb. ये जो demonstrative adjective है main verb के द्वारा follow नहीं किया जाता. For example, that horse, this cat, these carries, those ponies. Now class, I would like to inform you that in your previous classes you have learnt about this, that, these. So these things are called demonstrative adjectives. Okay class, related to it I have a short video to show you. Have a look.
Order of adjectives. Multiple adjectives in a sentence, when written with a noun, follow a specific order. General opinion, specific opinion, size, shape, age, color, nationality, noun. I'm wearing a new pink silk gown for my birthday tomorrow. I will plant small yellow lily bulbs in my garden.
So class, that video is related to our adjective of quality. Okay. So here the question is belong to demonstrative adjective. Only the question is belongs to demonstrative adjective. We need to fill it. Fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative adjectives from the ones given in the bracket. Yani you have given the bracket clues. This, these, this, that, this, these again. So आपको क्या करना है, उसे चूज करना है कौन सा है. और पहले मैं आपको बता देना चाहती हूँ that this और that यूज होता है singular के लिए and these and those यूज होता है plural के लिए. Okay. So I will not eat dash sandwiches. Here the plural sandwiches. Okay. बहुत सारे sandwiches हैं. So these sandwiches. Do you know that dash man over there? Over यानी दूर की बात हो रही है. Over there. So that man. Okay. Do you know that man over there? Dash boys broke the glass window. These boys. Here the plural यानी बहुत सारे boys हैं. So these boys broke the glass window. Dash children are playing in the rain. So those children. Art cannot wear dash trouser any longer. Trousers. These trousers. Okay. So this is all about demonstrative adjectives. Just read it again. Demonstrative pronoun are the same word that are also used for demonstrative adjectives. Now this is a kind of notice for us that demonstrative pronoun, when you will ever read pronoun, so you have to focus on it that demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns are the same things. This, that, these and those. The differences is in the सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर. बस डिफरेंस कहां पर आएगा, जहां सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर होगा. ओके. सो द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय द नाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल, दीज आर एक्सपेंसिव. सो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. यहाँ पर हमें नाउन नहीं है इसलिए क्या है, प्रोनाउन है. दीज किसके लिए यूज हुआ है, इन द प्लेस ऑफ प्रोनाउन. नाउ हियर as a noun, in the place of noun अगर हम यूज करेंगे तो कैसे यूज करेंगे, these shoes are expensive. Here noun is shoes, a thing. Okay, that's why we denote here these. So this is demonstrative adjective. So this is the differences between pronoun and noun. Pronoun use होगा जो कि noun नहीं use करेगा, वो as a pronoun के वे पे use होगा, and adjective हमेशा use होगा noun के बेस पर. Okay class, so I hope all the exercise clear to you all. Please do practice. Here we have completed our chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.